Tree Removal Sunshine Beach. Sunshine Coast Tree Lopping Noosa offers reliable tree services for homes and businesses in Sunshine Beach. Our qualified arborists bring years of expertise to deliver tailored tree care Sunshine Beach, improving tree health and landscape appeal. When needed, we carry out precise tree removal Sunshine Beach using safe, industry-approved methods. Our team also provides expert tree lopping Sunshine Beach to manage growth and reduce potential hazards. Whether it's pruning, shaping, or assessments by a certified arborist Sunshine Beach, we ensure every job is done with care. Contact us for efficient, affordable tree services.